Hello friend, I'm 𝐂𝐭𝐡 and in this video I'll show you how you can get Ashampoo Snap 14 full license in a free by authentic method. This is not a crack. I'm not promoting any crack method or anything crack. This is a official license. From this link you can get for 1 year full version in a free. Here you can see this is the magic link. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Please visit my total videos page. You will find some awesome useful content. And here you can see I have created too much videos in these days. Let's start this tutorial. In a first, go to this magic link I will provide you. Please watch the full video how you can get this link. I will explain you later. Just copy your email address, that is maybe Gmail or Outlook or Hotmail, anything. Put in this box and click on this request full version key. Here you can see request free full version license. Please check your email inbox now. Let's go to email address. Here you can see now we have received our email from Ashampoo. Now we need to open it and click on this. Click here. Here you can see request free full version license. Congratulations, your account is active. Just you need to fill up this first name, last name and country and date of birth, or you can also not now or don't continue. Let's fill this. By default my country is Nepal. Date of birth I had put randomly and click on done and continue. This is our license key. Just copy it and install the Ashampoo 14 and use it. Now we will get also a new email address. Here you can see access your data for account. Your account was activated successfully and this is my email address and temporary password. After the recorded this video I will change my password. Simply you can log in this also and you will get a sample for 1 year license in a free. I will provide you the magic link on my blog website. This is the my blog website link and khalifablogs.blogspot.com, and I will hidden the content on my blog website, the magic link. For that you need to click 3 times on any download button. You will see a hidden content, or you can also read an article about how you can read hidden content on my blog website. Here you can see how to view any hidden content from our website. Simply read this article, or you can simply click on 4 times on any button. You will see all the hidden content. Here you can see I got a community guidelines strike, so I can't give you the original link on my this YouTube channel description or comment box. So please visit my blog website for the link from where you can request for free Ashampoo Snap 14 in a free. And if you need anything from this image, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price like Grammarly Premium or old Facebook page or Microsoft Office 365 or Prime Video or Canva Premium or GitHub Student Developer Pack. And I have also a Windows keys 1011 or 10 Pro, like this type of Windows key, and Grammarly Premium for private account. The account will be private, only you can use. And I have some WordPress theme also, which is GPL version license, like newspaper Jana, DV, ClickBank Extra, and some plugin also. I will provide you in this all the things in a cheap price. Just contact me on Instagram and I will provide you in a cheap price. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 2k subscriber. We have just completed 1k subscriber, and if this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching video.